Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. It's kind of rainy today, but today I'd like to discuss with you ang isang topic na mahalaga na minsan na nineglect po ng karamihan, yung pang-aapi. Ikaw ba ay naapi na in the past? Na-experience mo na maging tampulang ka ng mga jokes, katatawanan at parati kayong pinag-uusapan? I personally had my own share when I was still at elementary and high school, kasi nga medyo may kaliitan ako ng konti. Hanggang ngayon medyo may kailiitan pa rin, at parati akong talagang tinutukso na panda, di ba? Parang nung bata syempre medyo masakit yan. Ngayon tinatawanan ko na lang, pero during that time talagang medyo may tama ba, may hugot ba. Sa tunay na buhay, maraming taong nagsasuffer ng pang-aapi at ng pang-uubuso ng ibang tao. Abuse happens when one person tries to control or hurt the other person. At maraming klaseng pang-aabuso. Pwede siyang physical, pwede siyang verbal, pwede siyang sexual, pwede rin siyang emotional or mental. Like for example, kung kayo po ay madalas na minamata at minamaliit ng iyong mga kaibigan at kamag-anak, ito po ay isang pamamaraan din ng pang-aabuso. Kaya if you're suffering and experiencing this type of hurts, I would like to address and speak to you right now on how you can counter this type of events and people. Number one is you got to learn how to say no. Minsan may mga taong naapi dahil nagpapaapi, dahil hinahayaan nila. May mga taong nagpapaabuso, so may mga iba nagpapaabuso at pinapayagan nila yung mga tao. When people are already abusing you, make a stand and stop, and then sometimes you just got to say no. You may not be able to control and stop them immediately, but you can sure make a statement. You don't need to fight them, hindi mo na kailangang awayin sila, at hindi ko naman sinabi na makipagsuntukan o makipagsabunutan ka. What I'm trying to say is you try to exert your own feelings. Sasabihin mo, confront them and let them know that this is not healthy. Number two, aside from that, you got to find a support group. Sometimes may mga taong na winawakasan na talaga ang kanilang mga buhay dahil nga sa sobrang sakit ba ng mga nararamdaman, na hindi nila alam na kailangan po nila mag-reach out lang sa ibang tao. Kapatid, if you're suffering through so much pain right now, probably all you need to do right now is to reach out to some of your friends who are already waiting for you to reach out for them. These people can really help you to deal with your hurts and your pains and your abuse. And another thing that you can do also is to seek professional help. When I say professional help, sometimes na kailangan talaga, hindi lang pwedeng friends, kaibigan. May mga psychiatrist or counselor na talagang kailangang ipaliwanag sa iyo yung proseso kung paano mo talagang malabanan to. Minsan napakalaki na ng damage na naidulot sa iyo ng mga pains na dinaanan mo. Hindi lang kailangan na kaibigan lang ang magbigay ng payo. And last but not the least, I also encourage you to trust God no matter what happens in your situation. Never allow people to look down at you. Never allow people to belittle you, because we are created in God's image. Walang sino man ang may karapatan na dapat apihin ka, abusuhin ka at saktan ka. You were bought at a price, and God paid for us. God paid His Son in our behalf. So never allow people to tell you that you are a nobody, because God does not create a nobody. He only create a somebody. So if I were you, I hope that you would be able to stand up for yourself and then seek help from other people, seek professional help also, and most importantly, you seek help from God. Question, kapatid, ikaw ba'y dumadaan sa pang-aabuso or dinaanan mo na ito at hanggang ngayon di ka pa rin maka-get over at di ka pa rin makapag-move on? Ang question, ano yung steps na nagawa mo? At kung kailangan mo ng tulong, I do suggest that you cry out to people, ask for help, and also ask God for help. Tatandaan nyo, kung walang magpapaapi, walang mang-aapi. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always, Chink Positive.